Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I will use my car with my empty fob or remote control battery. Suddenly, lobat yung remote control ng car ko. So, let's try. Napanood ko to one time sa isang vlog and it seems to be work. So, I have to try dahil na-empty na yung fob ko or yung remote control ko. And I'm going to try if it really does work. So, the very first thing you have to do is look for a key sign na ng car, which is nasa gilid siya ng steering wheel. So, there. That's the one we have to look for. And put the key just close to it in this position. Then hit the brake. Hit the brake as normal we do when starting the car. Alright. And there you go. It works. It does work. So, yun